SimAssist, the universal tool for your data analysis. With SimAssist, you can quickly and easily analyze, visualize, and document statistical correlations in your data. Today we will show you how you can carry out a correlation analysis quickly and easily with SimAssist. We will use the two plugins Python Statements and Correlation Matrix. The Python Statements plugin allows you to select, configure, and execute your own and existing Python scripts. The standard scope already includes, among other things, the script for a correlation analysis. The scripts and the necessary settings can be configured and executed via a graphical user interface. As with all SimAssist plugins, the data is connected simply by drag and drop. The data columns to be analyzed for the correlation analysis can then be quickly added to the corresponding area. In our case, the dependency between parameters as input variables and key figures as target variables is to be examined. The result data from the Python scripts can then be further processed and visualized via the data provider interface using the plugins available in SimAssist. The plugin of the same name can be used to graphically display the results as a correlation matrix. After assigning the data using drag and drop, the matrix columns are selected. The graphical representation is automatically adjusted. The available functions and formatting make it easier to evaluate the correlation analysis and understand the relationships. The coloring allows you to quickly identify the parameters that correlate positively, green, or negatively, red. Further videos on other SimAssist plugins can be found on the YouTube channel of Simplan AG. For further information or a free trial version of SimAssist, please contact us at the address shown or visit our homepage www.simassist.de. Convince yourself of the diversity and simplicity of SimAssist. We're looking forward to your email or phone call.